morning, everybody. Well, it's not really the morning, so I probably shouldn't say good morning. I should probably say more like good afternoon because it's about 12:20. A little recap of my morning so that you guys didn't miss anything. I woke up, I made coffee, obviously. None of us are surprised. And then I cleaned for a little bit. And then I sat on my butt and did basically absolutely nothing. So that was my morning. I'm also snowed in. Ohio got tons of snow the last couple of days. My school got canceled. I couldn't go to work because my car cannot leave the driveway because I'm literally snowed in. As you guys can tell, very snowy. Yeah, so I'm going to make my second cup of coffee for the day. I think I'm gonna make iced because it sounds good and it's never too cold for iced coffee. Also, forgot to introduce myself. My name is Calista. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you guys here. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and let's make some iced coffee.
You please be mine, honey, let me prove to you the apple of my eye, you don't have to try, just let.
Hey guys, so very exciting news. Wait, where did my coffee go? Did I not bring it in here with me? No, I definitely, oh. And there it is. I got my coffee. I just made a caramel vanilla latte. Iced, obviously. It's so good. I wanted to show you guys just a few things. Obviously, I redid my bookshelf, so I'm currently just adding different things to it, and I bought some plants that I want to show you guys. But first, something very exciting that if you guys have been to my channel for a while, you guys know that I don't own a tripod. I didn't own a tripod because I would just like build towers of things and use it as a tripod. But I bought a tripod. I did it. And I wanted to show it to you guys. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet, so let's do that. Not really sure how this works. Hold on, maybe it came with instructions. I'm not sure if this is exactly how you do it, but it looks about right to me. Where's my camera? I really just said, where's my camera, as I'm filming and talking to you guys. That was embarrassing. I wanted to show you guys all the new fun pots and plants I bought. So first off, I have been wanting to kind of not completely redo my room, but redo my room somewhat. I just want to fill it with a bunch of plants. I just want my room to have such a positive atmosphere, such a positive vibe. First off, I got this drapey plant. It is so cute and I am obsessed with it. So I'm going to put this in this pot that I got from TJ Maxx. This one is my favorite. I got this plant. He is so cute. He's kind of getting a little bit droopy, so I hope he doesn't die. And then I got this pot, which I think is the cutest thing. I also got this cactus, and I bought this little pot to go with it. I just need to plant all of those. I don't know if I'll do it today. Oh my gosh, ow! I just stabbed myself with a cactus. Oh my gosh, it was in my feet. Oh, I think I'm going to go watch a murder mystery Hallmark movie with my mom. I mean, I do have schoolwork I could do, but that sounds more fun. You really look bad. I'm too short for this mirror.
I got you, bud. I got you, buddy.
Yeah. Gross. Little bit of an update. We finished a Hallmark movie. It was really good. But I just checked Google Classroom and I have an English assignment due tomorrow, even though there's no school. So I need to do that. It's basically just I have to write an outline for this essay. And then I also have some business law classwork I should probably just get done. That's not actually due tomorrow, but it's due next Sunday and I just kind of want to get it over with. So let's grind it out.
This part of the vlog is very chaotic. My dog is barking like crazy and Claire and I are both sleep deprived and making coffee.
Get the good lighting. I am so kind, and I'm going to make my sister a latte.
She's actually not very kind.
No, like, why would you say that, Claire? Like, seriously.
I mean, I know. Just don't hit me. Just don't hit me.
I said shut up. I am going to make Claire a coffee because I'm so, wait. Okay, ready? I am so kind. Claire, literally, why are you laughing? Nothing happened.
I know. It's just, I'm a ginger. That's it. I need to tell them.
Well, what mug do you want?
Get out of my way.
You're gonna use this one.
Okay. Okay, so for the flavor, I'm gonna have her surprise me, but don't do hazelnut. No hazelnut.
I'm gonna dump it out if you do hazelnut.
I'm taking it away. I know you're gonna do it.
But like, what are you in the mood for?
There's only 2 options. The only 2 options. So like, just surprise me.
Lavender vanilla?
Just don't do that.
You don't want lavender vanilla?
No. What are you doing? Show me. What is wrong?
Clearly nothing. Okay, so I need to make Claire a coffee. You have to guess what I'm making. I'm making her a blackberry lavender latte. Things out of milk. I don't know if this is enough to fill this up. And if it isn't, then we're going to have to do 2%. Even though I hate making coffee with 2%, but it's not my coffee. Yeah, that definitely was not enough. We are just going to mix whole milk and 2% milk. Look at how pretty, oh my gosh. That's what it is, Bo.
There's blackberry in there.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. I need time. There's no lavender in there.
Seth's on his way here right now, but before he gets here, she dropped golf balls everywhere. I'm gonna get in the shower and then Seth and I are going to watch The Bachelor.